Hello, I'm just here to show you one of my favorite Mario mods of all time, Super Mario Endless Earth. This is a great mod that was created in 2018. It's got an open overworld that is absolutely huge, a soundtrack with over 35 melodies, over 30 themed environments, 8 fortresses with their own theme each, a rich story that ties together references from all over the Mario canon, 120 power stars to find, etc., etc. It's really good. I would scroll down and play this intro video, but I'm pretty sure YouTube wouldn't like that. You can download the patch for free from here and go to this website and download Delta Patcher. That's all you need to do. I've got everything downloaded in a folder already, but I am going to show you one little extra thing you need to do with this patcher. You need to go down here and click this, okay, not that one, this, and click Backup Original File. Otherwise, it's just going to overwrite your original file. All you need to do after selecting these two files is just click Apply Patch, and you're done. I'm going to go ahead and rename mine. Alright, just to show you the difference, the original file is 33.6 megabytes, the patch file is 94.6. I've already gone ahead and loaded this into RetroArch and configured the core, and I'm happy since I got the new RetroArch because I discovered this new core called Melon DS, and it's very nice. It's got a lot more options on the user end for configuration. I want to show you a couple of quick things. You're going to want to go into screen and set your screen layouts to 3, but you can have up to 8. This is nice. It's the only core that's ever let me have more than 2 layouts at a time. I just set them to top only, bottom only, and top/bottom, and I think it's pretty much all I'm going to need. You also want to go to onto screen display and notifications and turn off show screen layout. Otherwise, you're going to get this text on the upper right corner of the screen. You're not going to be able to remove it. Now I've gone ahead and put an HQ4X filter on this after testing a lot of different filters. I just wasn't sure which one would be the best one, but it's personal preference. I'm going to skip the intro. You guys can always watch it if you want to. The cool thing is about this, the number one thing that they didn't mention on the page is that all the pipes work, or like 99% of the pipes work. I don't really think there's a point to going in here. You can't really talk to these people. Okay, now I'm going to show you a way to the secret area. The in-between world. Not very difficult to get there. Oh. Almost there. That's it. Now this is a cool area. It's got a lot of different pipes and things. Personally, I have no idea what goes where, so I'm just going to try a random one. It's a lot bigger than what I've just shown you. But you'll find these doors scattered all over the place. Oh, nothing else to go to here. If you actually want to find anything or figure out where you're going, good luck. I never have. But this is still very cool and fun. I've fallen asleep with this playing on my phone in my hand like plenty of times. You can just pick any pipe and go. It doesn't have a lot of dud pipes like regular Mario games do. I'm not going to try to collect a lot of things. Oh no. That seems a little laggy there. I don't have good luck with water worlds, I just want to get out of there. Oh, not more water. Okay, it's the select button if you need to pick something off of the bottom screen. Might depend on how your controller's mapped, though. No thanks. What exactly am I supposed to be able to do here? Ah. I'm gonna try one more area and then quit the demo. We built this place and all by ourselves. All us, baby. Okay, this one looks interesting. Ha! Ain't getting me. This one looks bright and cheerful. Huh, okay, forget it. This place looks cool. So I've got a message to Mario. Wake up, dude. Bowser's not even coming by anymore. You're just getting a phone call on the weekends, and she's calling you from Bowser's house. She's cheating on you. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to demo right now. You get the gist. There's all kinds of cool worlds. I've only shown you a fraction of what's there, and there actually are fortresses to go through, but I haven't actually ever found any of them yet. I know they're out there somewhere because there's supposedly 8 of them, but that's all I really feel like showing off right now because I'm making this video probably too long anyway. But thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.